Hey guys, so today's Christmas special recipe is cakesicles. They look amazing and taste even better. Let's get into it. First, we'll take melted white chocolate. You take some white chocolate and melt it in the microwave very carefully because chocolate burns very easily. Now we add a desired food coloring in it. Here we are taking white, green and red edible food colors for giving it a Christmas feel. You can take any color that you want and mix it with the white chocolate thoroughly. Now in a cakesicle mold, put the melted white chocolate and spread it all over the mold well. Make sure the entire mold gets covered with the melted white chocolate. We are starting with one cakesicle here. Spread it across the cakesicle mold. And then use an ice cream stick to enter it in the cakesicle mold and freeze it in your deep freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. Moving on to the next colors, we do the same process again. Spread it across the cakesicle mold and freeze it for 15 to 20 minutes. You can get these ice cream sticks easily in any bakery or any grocery shop. All the brands and the link for cakesicle molds will be given in the YouTube description, so do not worry. So now we get the molds ready for the rest two cakesicles, and we have our sponge cake ready as well. The recipe for the entire sponge cake is given in the YouTube description. We are mixing the crumbled cake with some cream and pouring it in the cakesicle mold. Spread it across well in the mold as shown, and then pour some more melted white chocolate on this. It is a simple sponge cake recipe that you have to follow. Bake it, crumble it, mix some cream and put it in the cakesicle molds after the white chocolate is frozen. This is a pretty simple and quick process. I am sure that you guys can absolutely do a fabulous job with the cakesicles. Pour the white chocolate mixed with colors on this, and now it is time to freeze this again. Freeze it again for 15 to 20 minutes in your deep freezer. And voila, you have your first cakesicle ready here. This is how it will look like. In order to give it a good finishing, scrape off the sides with a knife, or even you can use a spoon here. And you have your perfect cakesicle ready. Now you can decorate it according to your wishes. Here we are using some fondant stars. You can also use choco chips. You can also use melted chocolate. Whatever you wish, you can decorate it as and how you like it. We are decorating it as per our Christmas theme today in this video. Your cakesicles are ready to be had, and they are ready to be served in your Christmas party. So have fun and do try the recipe.
Hi everybody, today I am here to just show you the recipe for cakesicles, which is like Christmas based, which color match the red, green and white, and the decoration is based basically on Christmas. I have a page, I have a venture that is called Not Just Cakes. I started my venture about 4 years ago, almost 4 years ago. And it was just because I have the hobby to bake, sometimes little bit on and off. But some of my friends, especially one, she told me just to bake it and make it for her son. And everybody like it. So I just started working on my cakes. And then it definitely became my passion. Now I can bake a lot. Anytime and everywhere, anywhere I can bake. So I bake cakes, cake pops, cakesicles, cupcakes, donuts and breads. Everything we bake. And I'm basically based on Sarjapur Road. But we deliver all across the Bangalore. I have a page on Facebook and I have a page on Insta too, which I keep on updating.
So Cakesicles is the theme for today's Rasoi Saga video, and we are shooting a Christmas special recipe. As you guys saw, there is so much, I don't know, happiness on this tray. There is so much Christmas cheer that I feel in the vibe of this shoot today. And I'm going to try out this Cakesicle. It looks really good. All of them look really good. So let's go ahead. Richa has told me that these have chocolate sponges in it and it is covered with white chocolate and obviously the red stars. Looks awesome, right? Moving into chocolate heaven and really good. The chocolate is melting inside. I can taste the cake, I can taste the chocolate, and the white chocolate gives the much needed crunch on the Cakesicle. It's super. What more can I say? You guys absolutely have to try out this recipe this Christmas season. You can give it to your kids, you can make it for yourself, or you can just order it from Richa if you are in Bangalore. I am putting all the links in the description below of her page, of her details, so you can reach out to her and try out this recipe, guys. It's a hit.